This home has a secret. The man who built it is the reason Buffalo still has its oldest house. Hi, I'm Zach from Buffalo Homes, and today we're in Allentown on historic Virginia Street. So back in 1867, merchant Anson Becker built this home. Later that fall, he went downtown, picked up the Coit house, and plopped it right next to his. So in effect, he kind of had a 50-year-old neighbor from the first day at his house. Well, why did he do it? At the time, Buffalo was exploding because of the Erie Canal. Downtown was becoming too overpopulated, too overly commercial, and it wasn't really a place for these fancy single-family homes to be anymore. But what a house that he made. This is a perfect representation of Victorian Italianate, which can be seen up and down the East Coast at this era. It's got this flat facade, shallow roof, and these big, beautiful windows. Now, this was built 160 years ago, but it still needs to be lived in 2026. I think that these owners did a great job representing the history while still making it ready for modern life. Let's go in and see if you agree with me. Stepping inside, you get hit with history first. You get the beautiful curved staircase, the carved newel post. I mean, this is quintessential Italianate. You get a little bit more modern once we head into the living room though. The living room has a lot of the original touches. The original crown molding, obviously this carved marble fireplace. You get to see the big, beautiful windows, but it's still made for modern life. The TV, the furniture. I think this is a great balance of old, bringing it into new. Let's check out the kitchen. I don't care how much of a history buff you are, you don't want an old kitchen. They did a great job redoing this, putting in modern cabinetry and appliances, while still hearkening back to the old with this modern take on Victorian wallpaper. Now let's go take a look upstairs. Coming upstairs, you still get a touch of all that history. The curved wall, the curved banisters. You surprisingly have 3 ample bedrooms, but the showstopper really is the bathroom. They did everything perfectly blending modern and old to give you everything that you want in 2026. This historic home caps it off with this beautifully redone backyard. Now, I don't know about you, but I think they did a great job blending 160 years into 2026. And if you want to take a look yourself, it is available as a short-term rental. But for now, I think I'm gonna take a schwitz. Till next time.